Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay. So, may strong energies tayo dito ng Sagittarius and Libra. So, maaaring you're dealing with a Libra or you're a Sagittarius or you're a Libra. So, tingnan natin to about partnership, collaboration. So, maaaring itong taon to is from the past mo na. So, nagtry ka na mag-move on from this person. Maaaring may ng ghost or naglahong parang bula or about sa talking stage. And this person is now stalking you. So, with this Ace of Pentacles, para may gusto siyang i-offer sa yung something na hindi niya nagawang ibigay noon. Proposal. So, kasi parang may humadlang sa kanyang gawin yun. We have here medication, falling star, mountain, money, playing cards, and tide. Ayan. Pili niya kasi nakatali siya. Binoculars. Pero, this person is watching you. Nag-i-stalk siya ngayon sa social media mo. Maring priority niya kasi is money, finances, work, and maring may third party situation din na nangyari dito. So, tingnan natin. Message ng Archangels. Spiritual Understanding by Archangel Raziel. I'm bringing you esoteric information and symbols and helping you understand spiritual truths. So, maring may mga spiritual connection na nangyari dito or this person is feeling that way na you have this spiritual connection na hindi niya makalimutan. Kaya hindi kanya makalimutan. Although parehas kayo nag-try na mag-move on sa isa't isa, pero we have the 11-11 card, 4 of Wands energy, na maaari may twin flame energy dito. Ayan. The timing just wasn't right for us. So, siguro ng mga panahon yun kasi hindi pa right time. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I feel you even though we are apart. So, feel niya pa rin yung presence mo o nararamdaman ka pa rin itong taong to kahit na you're in separation or malayo kayo sa isa't isa. I lost myself for a little while. I wish I could share my good news with you. I want to feel that way again. I couldn't let you get close to me. Finding out the truth crushed me. Bottom card, I look for you everywhere. So, after ng separation, hinahanap-hanap ka naman niya. After no contact situation, kasi gusto niya makapag-collaborate sa'yo ngayon. So, maaaring naghihintay siya. This person is patiently waiting for the right time. Although, mas parang pinagsisihan din niya na mas pinili niya yung mga priority niya yun. Pera, trabaho, na mas inuna niya. Kasi parang nature-pwera ka noon. Maring ikaw na yung nag-walk away kasi hindi niya kayang gawin ka ang priority. Kasi gusto mo ikaw yung priority pero hindi nangyari. So, for some of you, parang nagkaroon kayo ng anak nito bago kayo mag-separate na hindi niya alam or hindi mo alam. I have multiple opportunities kasi ito yung mga inunay opportunities. You're so hot, keeping tabs on you. The struggle is real. Itong separation na to naging disaster. And this person really want you back. Honesty is the best policy. I want solid foundations. So ngayon gusto niya ng solid foundations with you. May mga offering. Bottom card natin, you complete me. So tingnan natin sa initials. Letter E, X, D, J, R, H, O, N, I. So blue card natin, separation, marriage, and confessions. Ayan. So, maaring for some of you, ay may in the process of annulment or divorce. And tingnan natin. Or pwede rin na kayo yung kasal. General signs and messages tayo. Future lover, sword, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Flower form, number 5. Very lucky. November. Sweet. 7. North PH. So, lakasan twin flame energy. City. Cancer sign. Province. Number 8. Very serious. Full of charisma. Soulmate for some. Overthinker. Fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. February. Vulnerable. Aquarius. Beautiful. Once another fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag. Friendly. Runner card. And selfie-holic. So, pati mga selfies mo, tinitingnan niya or may mga pictures pa rin na tinatabi niya. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.